Hello everybody, I'm Ali and today I would like to share with you the fastest way to create business model canvas and lead canvas right inside Notion. So basically I did not reinvent the wheel, I didn't do anything new, I just made those templates as I stated out of frustration of the traditional ways like the PDF and the PowerPoint and the Excel, which we found everywhere on the internet. When you look for a business model canvas or a lean canvas, you probably end up with one of these templates like this one from Railsware, and I really love this one. It's really amazing, it's brilliant. And this other one from Strategizer, it's also a good one. And here's a PowerPoint example of the business model canvas, and here is also an Excel example of the business model canvas and the lean canvas, etc. So all of these templates are actually fine and they are super useful and everything, but the problem with all of these templates is that they don't offer a great editing experience. I mean, trying to edit a PDF template or a PowerPoint or an Excel template is normally painful. And it's not just that, it's painful and you cannot view it on Moodle properly and you cannot share it easily with someone else. And to me, I mean, personally, to me, it has many problems. So I was using these old methods for some times, and each time I noticed that there is a problem and this isn't right, and I just ignored the problem. Each time I ignored it. So this time what I basically did was I stopped ignoring the problem. I said that there must be a better way, there must be an easier way. So that's the problem, and the solution was that when I thought of the problem, the first thing I thought about was Notion. If you don't know Notion, Notion is the place where you can make your own experience. You can create your workspace and you can combine elements like you see here, and you can create your own experience. And it was launched back in 2018, and it became one of the fastest growing ways to build your own experience and build many other things. And as you can see outside, many people build beautiful systems to make their life more productive and more easier using Notion. So as someone who's been using Notion for over a year now, and I personally added my whole life in Notion. As you can see here, I have like templates for my personal and my businesses and everything, and I use Notion to manage everything in my life. So I said, why not use Notion to create a business model canvas and a lean canvas templates that makes adding data to these canvas and editing them and viewing them and sharing them more easier and joyful to everybody. So I started creating these templates, and I created two templates as a starter. I created the business model canvas and lean canvas. So if you are not familiar with these kind of canvas, I really recommend you should search for them. I'm sorry, because this is not a video where I can go in depth talking about the canvas themselves. I just want to share with you how you can use the canvas inside of Notion, making the editing experience easier, and why it's better than the current solutions that we are using. So I'll share with you how to use each of the canvas, and let me start by the business model canvas. So you basically click here to go to the page, the canvas page, and here it takes you to the business model canvas template. Here's the templates. So that's how it looks like. This is the traditional business model canvas. I did literally nothing new. I just put them in a cool way where it makes it easier, it makes it easier for you to add data and to edit them, change them, view them anywhere, anytime, as easy as you can imagine. And I will show you that in a second. So before I start showing you the business model canvas itself, I'd like to show you how I love to start creating the business model canvas. So the way I create business model canvas is that I state the business goals. This is really important. I put the main goal of the business out here, and I add a bunch of short-term goals and long-term goals. Of course, this is just a dumb data, and this is not a real example. So I add all the goals here. Why this is important before starting adding data and hypotheses to your business model canvas? Because it helps you see the big picture. Like this is the big picture and these are the small elements in the picture. So it really helps to make all the aspects of your business model canvas reflect to the big picture of your business, which is the business goals. So I added this part. If you don't like to work the way I work, you can simply select them and delete them and you will have a clean business model canvas. So starting with the business model canvas, as you can see, nothing new. You have the key partners, the key activities, the key resources, value proposition, customer relationship, etc., etc. And under each part, you will have a main item. So these data, the example data, are the data used in the Uber example, which was used by Railsware here. Thanks for them for inspiring me to add these data. So basically, each data is a sentence, or this is the main key partner. And if you have more details, you can just toggle this part here and you will start seeing details. So you can start adding more details about your key partners, etc. And basically everything can be toggled, like this unique value proposition here. You can see how it looks like for each unique value proposition and for each segment as well, for each channel, how to keep and get and grow your business. Of course, all of this is absolutely up to you. You can change wherever you want. You can tell the experience for your own needs and your own business. So that's it. That's how the business model canvas looks like. And it's basically like the famous model canvas, nothing new. It's just way easier to add things and edit them later on inside of here. So let me just show you the lean canvas. Here is the lean canvas. Again, I also like to start with the business goals, and as you can see, this part here is just like a tip to help you focus on answering the question that will help you figure out the hypothesis for your business. Like this is also from the Uber example, and I'd like to distinguish the users from the customers with two different colors to help distinguishing them and make it easy to understand and follow up with. So you will find all this data easy to understand and easy to edit, and hopefully it will provide you with a better experience than the current methods that you are using. And that's it. That's basically everything. If you need to understand how to duplicate these templates, you will just find the instructions here. Basically, when you open the link and you go to any of these pages, you will just find a duplicate link here. So you can click on it and you will have this template right into your Notion, and you can edit it and make the changes however you want. So hopefully this is a helpful way to create your business model canvas and lean canvas. And also, if you want to suggest more templates that I should create for you, you'll be absolutely welcome, and I would love to work on creating more templates if it will be useful to anybody. And if you need help with creating your own BMC or lean canvas, you can DM me at any time. I will be more than happy to help you with that. So thank you, everybody.